I'm going to give you a challenge and you connect Ishan Khattar to Surekha Sikri and Dino Moria to Farah Khan.
Hi, this is Avanti.
Hi, this is Priyanka.
And welcome back to Over Coffee or Wine.
Yes, welcome. And today we are going to discuss just a lot of Bollywood gossip. It's a pure gossip session today because Bollywood is so interconnected. It's a complex web. But what got us into it is the upcoming show, The Royals, on Netflix, which stars Bhumi Pednekar and Ishan Khattar.
Okay, so do you want to watch the trailer first?
We're just watching the trailer for fun, but the actual gossip session will start after that. Okay, so stay tuned.
मोरपुर के महाराजा को गुजरे 6 महीने हो चुके हैं। अब सब कुछ उनका बेटा संभालता है।
नाम क्या है उसका?
अभिराज सिंह।
And the Entrepreneur of the Year award goes to Sophia Kanmani Shekhar.
ये सिर्फ शुरुआत है।
मोतीबाग की दीवारें और उसके कस्टम्स दोनों ही प्राचीन हो चुके हैं।
ये सोचो कि मोतीबाग को बचाना कैसे?
मोतीबाग बेच दूं।
टाइमलाइन क्या है?
18 महीने।
6 months नॉट अ डेमो। अगर ये नाकामयाब रहा, प्रोजेक्ट का पूरा सीड मनी रिटर्न करना पड़ेगा।
डील। रॉयल B&B में हमारे कस्टमर्स आपके साथ रहकर आपके इतिहास और आर्ट को करीब से महसूस कर पाएंगे।
आप लोग चाहते हैं कि हम रॉयल्टी का नमूना बन
एक अपस्टार्ट एंटरप्रेन्योर की हैसियत है जो हमें बचा सके।
क्या तुम्हारी सब कुछ मजाक है? एनीथिंग दैट यू वैल्यू। ये रॉयल्स ना, ये कहते कुछ है, करते कुछ है और जताते कुछ और ही है। इस महाराजा को दिखाते हैं वो रियली रूल्स द वर्ल्ड। हम जानते हैं तुम्हारे और उस लड़की के बारे में।
तो मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड नहीं, सिचुएशनशिप।
वो क्या होता है?
ओह पैरी, तुम्हें कितना कुछ सिखाना पड़ेगा।
अफेयर्स का कोई फ्यूचर नहीं होता, हमारा है।
फिर अगली बार कुछ और करें।
A date?
बातें
sounds good. 3 दिन में तुम्हारा राज तिलक है।
एंड आता है ना तुमसे, सब बदल जाता है। यार सिर्फ एक फॉर्मेलिटी नहीं होती।
अब तक जो भी हुआ उसकी जिम्मेदारी मैं लेती हूँ जुबन, और उसे फिक्स भी मैं ही करूंगी।
कमकड़ी हुकुम, ये बिल है।
रिडिकुलस, ये क्या रोज क्या सिंगल मॉल्ट से नहा रहे हैं हम?
नहा हम पानी से ही रहे हैं हुकुम, ये पानी का ही 10 लाख का बिल है।
इतने डायमंड्स कौन खरीद रहा है?
ये भी प्रथा है।
इस फैमिली में कोई सस्ती प्रथा है क्या?
This time I noticed all the cast members. There are so many famous people. Don't you think they kind of gave the whole plot away?
Yeah, and it was a 2.5 minute trailer. I feel everybody will know even what happens in the end.
Let us guess. Ishan and Bhumi get together and run the palace.
They have a section for Airbnb.
Win-win.
But yeah, there were so many actors. I also saw Luke Kenny, who I had not. Was it
You missed Chunky?
How?
Did you see Sumukhi Suresh?
Yes, Sumukhi Suresh I saw. But I miss Chunky. I'm just joking. In that movie, Houseful also, he is a hotel manager only. Akhri Pasta.
You're already
Anyways.
making connections, huh?
Let's get into it.
So the leads are Bhumi Pednekar and Ishan Khattar. So what's the goss about Bhumi?
So about Bhumi Pednekar, before she started her acting career, she was an assistant casting director with Yash Raj Films for about 6 years, and she worked on films like Chak De. And then her first movie break was with Dam Laga Ke Haisha in 2015. She put on 12 kilos to play the part, which I think was very brave of her. Outside of her Bollywood career, she's very involved in environmental causes. She was actually a representative for India by the United Nations Development Program.
I did not know this.
If you see some of her posts, she's like going to all of these youth sessions.
So she's actually passionate about the environment.
Yes, she was featured in Forbes India's 30 under 30.
She's under 30?
No, in 2018.
Okay. Good for her. And she has a twin sister, right?
No, that's not her twin. So she looks just like her. Her name is Samiksha Pednekar, but she's 3 years younger than her. Don't they look so
Oh.
alike?
I bought some reels and they had them side by side, and I had trouble guessing who is who.
They look exactly alike, and she's a lawyer. Her sisters. I feel like after Bhumi, we need to dive into Mr. Ishan Khattar.
Ishan Khattar, he's in everything, right? He's doing a lot of shows, especially on Netflix, and he has really worked on his physique, especially after Dhadak, right?
That was the first movie.
So Dhadak was not his debut movie. He had done a
Huh.
movie called Beyond the Clouds. That movie was not publicized much. He's just 29 years old. And, yeah,
I thought
he's
he was older than
1995.
that.
Apparently, there were dating rumors with Janvi and Ananya, which I didn't know of. I think they were just
Okay.
rumors to promote the movie. What do you think?
So Janvi Kapoor, I think they were dating. Now who knows what is promotion, what is real? But when Janvi Kapoor was on Karan Johar's show, I think with Arjun Kapoor, it came up something about Ishan Khattar. It was like almost teasing her about it. So I
Okay.
think they did maybe briefly date during the shooting of that movie. Ananya Pandey and him have come in which movie?
Movie called Kali Pili.
Yes, that the taxi or something like that.
I think taxis, it's a dead giveaway considering it's Kali Pili. Like there will definitely be
Oh,
a
yes.
taxi.
Oh
What
my
did you
God.
think?
I
Random
did
colors.
It's pretty late at night here. I'm going to blame it on my tiredness. Yes, it is something to do with the taxi.
This is a new thing we are doing, which is called It's All Relative, inspired by Eros from Friends. And we are going to find some bizarre connections between Bollywood stars. So I'm going to give you a challenge. Can you connect Ishan Khattar to Surekha Sikri? Do you know Surekha Sikri? She was Dadi Sa in Balika Vadhu.
Yeah. I think she passed away recently.
It's been a few years.
It's been a few years.
Yeah.
Man. Okay, I know who you're talking about.
Hmm.
Ishan Khattar and Surekha Sikri.
Yes.
Okay, let
let's
me
go.
try. So, Ishan Khattar's mom is Nilima Azim and his dad is Rajesh Khattar. Okay. You're gonna see I'm good at these Bollywood things. Nilima Azim, her son is also Shahid Kapoor. So Nilima Azim is both Ishan Khattar and Shahid's mom. Shahid Kapoor's dad is Pankaj Kapoor, who is now married to Supriya Pathak. I don't know any of Pankaj Kapoor's relatives. So, Supriya Pathak's sister is Ratna Pathak. Ratna Pathak's husband is Nasiruddin Shah. They have two sons. I think it's Imad and Vihan. I don't know the other guy's name. Vivan. And I know for a fact that Nasiruddin Shah was married before Ratna Pathak and he was married to a woman named Parveen Murad and her daughter, like their daughter, he has a daughter from that marriage. Her name is Hiba Shah and Parveen Murad's sister is Surekha Sikri.
Ding, 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 ding.
I did it.
They look alike, Hiba and
Very much.
Surekha.
Yeah, very much
I think
younger.
she played a younger version of
Yes.
Dadi Sa in Balika Vadhu only.
I think so too. Yes.
So, yeah.
Do I get
that
a
was-
hamper now?
We should totally have an over coffee or one hamper.
I don't know about the actual hamper, but the shipping will cost a lot.
So, from Ishan to someone really iconic, Zeenat Aman.
Yes. Yeah. Zeenat Aman, I'm so happy to see her. Zeenat Aman is the icon of breaking the traditional Indian heroine mold that was there. So, some fun facts about Zeenat Aman. In 1970, Zeenat Aman actually won the Miss Asia Pacific International pageant. So, she was the first Indian woman to win this pageant. Have you ever heard her talk about it? Just let me ask you, have you ever heard her talk about it?
I was wondering, what's this question? I get it. I've only heard of the pageant legend.
Who's
Pageant
won Miss
legend
India
was-
twice. Anyway, let's come back to the true icon, Zeenat Aman. The first time an Indian won Miss India Asia Pacific, which later on Diya Mirza won. And with that, I think she got her head start in Bollywood. Her first real breakthrough film was Devanand's movie Hare Rama Hare Krishna. So that's where the iconic Dam Maro Dam, that was 1971. Just her look in it and everything about her is just so stylish and so cool.
the hippie 70s.
Very much. She brought that to life. She's come in some really iconic films like Yadon Ki Barat, Kurbani, Dawn with the original
Dawn?
Dawn with Amitabh Bachchan. Yeah.
I haven't watched.
But you didn't know Zeenat Aman was in it? She was like the Priyanka Chopra of the original Dawn. Priyanka Chopra is the Zeenat Aman of this Dawn, I should say. Because she
Okay,
was
okay.
the original, the OG. So, some other not such great facts, but I think Zeenat Aman really owns, and has like come out of it, is she was in some abusive relationships. Her marriage was not a happy one. She stayed through it for her two sons. She's just come out of it so strong after what she's been through. And then a fun fact is that in 2023, one of her two sons has helped her come back on social media just to like be out there. And she puts these beautiful pictures from her old days of Bollywood. What I love is she puts a whole paragraph like explaining that picture or explaining when that happened. And I love reading those Instagram captions. So genuine. Like you see it and you're like, okay, this is not a social media manager. It's from her heart putting it out there. So if you haven't, you should check out Zeenat Aman's Insta.
Take you for a walk down another memory lane from our youth, Mr. Dino Moria.
Dino.
So can you believe he's going to be 50 this year, Dino Moria?
What? Oh my God. I don't know what this makes me feel about myself and us aging.
Yeah. And he used to date Bipasha Basu, which I don't recollect that much because like John and Bipasha, right? But apparently John came after Dino.
Yes, when Bipasha became first famous, the first boyfriend was Dino Moria. I think her first movie was Raz with Dino Moria. Then Jism came later, which I think there was not a lot of difference between the two movies. She may have moved on pretty quickly.
But I really thought John and Bipasha were endgame and I was wrong.
Yeah, that made me sad.
And now she's with Karan Singh Grover, who's so not like John Abraham. So, yeah, I guess she does not have a type. But maybe she does because Dino Moria won Gladrax 1995. By the way, the same year Ishan Khattar was born. Just FYI. And I think John also won, right?
John, I'm pretty sure won Gladrax. I didn't know Dino had won it too.
Yeah, so she's into Gladrax models and Karan Singh Grover is not similar. So moving on.
Just like she did.
Yeah, Dino is actually half Italian. His dad is Italian.
No wonder name Dino.
So continuing our It's All Relative, I'm going to try to connect Dino Moria to Farah Khan. Okay. But I'll need your help in this.
Okay.
But I think there is a connection and I'm going to work on it.
Okay.
So Dino Moria has a brother called Nicolo Moria. Nicolo Moria has been dating Adhuna Akhtar, who is now Adhuna Babani, back to her original name. And Adhuna has two kids, Akira and Shakya, with Farhan Khan. No, I tried to reach Farah Khan.
I saw that. Adhuna has two kids with Farah Khan.
A few moments later.
Adhuna was married to Farhan Akhtar, who is now married to
You did it again. You did Farhan.
So Adhuna was married to Farhan Akhtar, who's now married to Shivani Dandekar, right? Farhan Akhtar's mother
is
Hani Irani.
Yes.
Javed Akhtar is married to Shabana. Just FYI.
Now.
He was previously married to Hani Irani and they have two children, Farhan and Zoya Akhtar.
Correct.
And Hani's sister Daisy. Daisy's daughter is Farah Khan.
I don't think so.
Then?
So there are three sisters. There's Daisy Irani, Hani Irani, and Menika Irani.
Okay.
Menika Irani is Farah Khan's mom. So she is Hani Irani's niece. So Farah Khan is Farhan Akhtar and Zoya Akhtar's cousin. First cousin.
Yes, we did it together.
That was fun. But you see how Bollywood is one big happy family.
Yeah, I'm sure we can keep going and then connect it somehow to Ishan Khattar again.
Yeah.
Another cast member is Sakshi Tanwar. She's
Yes.
also come back after a long time. Right?
Yeah, Sakshi Tanwar's first foray into this was through Kahani Ghar Ghar Ki, the iconic Parvati Bhabhi. Remember? Her husband was Kiran Kalmarkar, that Marathi actor. Do you remember him?
Yeah.
Her other really big show that people know of is with Ram Kapoor, Bade Achhe Lagte Hain. She's been in a lot of television shows. And then in 2018, she actually adopted a little 9-month-old baby girl as a single mother. That's a significant chapter in her life. And she has actually also done a few films. One of the bigger ones that you would know of is Dangal, where she plays Amir Khan's wife. So it'll be
Yeah.
interesting to watch her again.
So I want to talk about Milind Soman. Did you see? He is
Wait. How do you get all the hotties?
Well, let me tell you, this hottie is almost 60. He's going to
What
be
are you
60
saying?
this year.
Milind Soman is almost 60?
Yeah, he's 59
Wow.
right now. The core memory is Made in India, right?
Oh yeah, with
Alisha
Alisha
Chennai.
Chennai's song.
Yeah.
Yes. So the other thing about Milind Soman is big controversy with Madhu Sapre, where they
Oh,
did
yeah,
a photo
that-
shoot
Hmm.
only an Ajgar. That Ajgar got very famous, and it was just him, her, and the Ajgar.
I think
Nothing
at
else.
that point it was very controversial, right?
Yeah, so for all you Gen Z people who don't know, just Google Madhu Sapre, Milind Soman, and Python. Milind Soman and Madhu Sapre were going out for a very long time.
Yeah, they were like Bipasha John.
Yes. In fact, I feel they were more than Bipasha John. And then it was also shocking when they broke up.
And yeah, and then he got married to a French actress, Mylene.
Really?
Yeah, and I think they had like a long distance marriage, but yeah, it didn't work out. And now he's dating someone called Ankita, and they do marathons and runs together, and he's promoting fitness.
I thought they got married though.
Yeah, they
I
probably
think
did.
they got married, yeah. He runs bare feet.
Even his
Have you
mom
seen him?
does.
Yes. Which, like, if he is 60, his mom's gotta be at least 80, right?
Yeah, he is goals. So it's nice to see him too. And I like the casting because Zeenat Aman, Milind Soman, they are all very royal, you know.
Looks like Milind Soman is the father. If only Ishan Khatter knows the kinds of photo shoots his dad has done. Royal naam pe dhabba with Ajgar.
That's all for today's gossip session. Royals was just part of it, but everything else was much juicier.
Knowing now all of the actors and the cast of this, I might watch The Royals.
I'm going to watch it for sure. I didn't have any doubts that I'm going to watch it.
Yeah, you watch Nadani also you were excited about. So
I watch anything that comes out which is non-action and non-stressful.
let's watch it and then we can make another one talking about what the show was about or, you know, how we liked it. Maybe
Or
that
we
could be
didn't
one
like
of our
it.
next ones. Or we didn't like it. Yeah. So if you like this video, like, follow and subscribe over coffee or wine.
Bye.
Bye.